Can an LLC have employees? The answer is yes, and without any limitations on the number. Limited liability companies can hire both members and non-members as employees, offering significant flexibility for business owners. LLCs are popular business structures that provide corporate liability protections without requiring separate tax return filings or risking double taxation. They combine the best aspects of corporations and partnerships into one versatile entity. An employee is legally defined as any individual hired for a wage, salary, fee, or payment to perform work for an employer. This distinction matters because employees differ from independent contractors. Employees work directly for the company, while contractors maintain independence. This difference affects which laws apply to your business, especially those that only take effect once a company reaches a certain number of employees. Before hiring employees, an LLC must complete several important legal steps. First, obtain an employer identification number from the IRS, which is essential for tax reporting. Next, register with relevant state agencies as an employer. You'll also need to establish payroll systems for tax withholding and wage payments, secure workers' compensation insurance, display required labor law posters, and ensure compliance with all employment laws, including minimum wage and workplace safety regulations. When it comes to LLC members, the IRS typically considers them self-employed rather than employees. This creates an interesting distinction. You might own and work for your LLC, but that doesn't automatically make you an employee in legal terms. However, if your LLC elects to be taxed as a corporation, members can be hired as employees and receive a reasonable salary based on industry standards. Hiring family members presents unique opportunities. Employing your spouse can potentially reduce the LLC's reported profits and decrease your personal self-employment tax. Hiring children under 18 may provide additional tax benefits in certain cases. However, these arrangements require careful documentation and legitimate work responsibilities to withstand IRS scrutiny. Be cautious about worker classification. Misclassifying employees as independent contractors can result in serious consequences, including IRS penalties, back taxes, potential loss of liability protection, and wage violation claims. Proper documentation of employment relationships is essential to maintain compliance with both federal and state regulations. The tax advantages of hiring employees can be substantial. Employee salaries, benefits, and payroll taxes are deductible as business expenses. When members become W-2 employees under corporate tax election, they may benefit from income tax withholding rather than self-employment tax. Strategic income splitting within families and contributions to employee retirement plans can further optimize your tax situation. Beyond tax considerations, having employees strengthens your LLC in multiple ways. Operational efficiency improves as you delegate tasks and focus on strategic growth. Employees bring specialized skills that might not exist within your membership. Your business becomes more scalable, allowing you to serve more customers and expand market presence. Clear separation between ownership and operations supports your liability protection. Customer experience typically improves with dedicated staff, and offering benefits helps attract and retain talented team members. Understanding the benefits and responsibilities of having employees in your LLC is crucial for business growth and compliance. With proper planning and management, employees can become valuable assets that help your business thrive while maintaining the advantages of your LLC structure.